Hello everyone, so today we have BMW 2002 model 328i and we are going to change the water pump on the BMW. So everything is easy, but taking off the fan in this BMW is so much hard, so you need the special tool for that. So let me show you step by step how to replace it, and let's go. As you can see, we remove everything assembly in here, but the fan is right there and you need the special tool for removing this fan, and the water pump is right there. You just need to slide the water pump and you will be done. So you need this tool right there. Have to hang this on one bolt. Right there. As you can see, the pulley is broke here, so now we have to replace the pulley and the water pump, but hopefully we will be able to take this out, so stay on video. So we are going to remove the serpentine belt. So we need the 16 mm. Move this side bit. Yep, that's it. Right. 10 mm. Need the pry bar. Broke. Now 10 mm. Need to take out the water pump. You need two 10 millimeters. You can just tie it like that. Go on his bottom right here. It's removed after 23 years. You can see. This water pump. You can see the water pump is fine. Everything is fine. It's just moving. But here the problem is the O-ring. You see the black O-ring is completely getting tough and stick with that. So that's why it's leaking from here all the way.